Here's another video, and this is the third and probably the last video I'll do today. But we've been talking about Elliott Wave, and I think I mentioned I got in here for a short. This is the AB, and we all know that what happens after the AB is another short. But this is really me just kind of bragging. And the reason is that there's a lot of bullshit out there on YouTube, where they're throwing out these terms and they say things like, "Oh yeah, I'm reversal. I'm a reversal trader. I'm a momentum trader. I'm a right-handed, left-handed trader. I like to do breakouts." Like, what does that mean? And so, since I've done a lot of instruction today on Elliott Wave, and you've kind of have seen this move evolve, I wanted to kind of point out that I was kind of right with it. And the real point I'm saying is, when you're getting instruction, can you verify these people's trades? Because if you look back in the last two videos, you'll see the evolution, or I should say the de-evolution or the fall of this trend here. I showed you earlier, this is the 61.8 with a little bit. You have this with the 61.8 here. I said it was going to continue down, and look at it. It's continuing down. And so it's been a good day trade for me because I got in here and I'm watching the stochastics pretty carefully, whether to just close out because, well, I don't want to make it too complicated, but there is definitely wisdom in closing out a position, taking your profits, going for a hike, going getting a burger, and also it builds your confidence. And if you're a new trader, and I've been trading in and out of the market since college, and I'm 40. So for about 20 years, I've been trading or trying to trade, learning, losing. And so what I want to do now is I want to take the little knowledge I have and I want to help the trading community. And I think one of the best ways in doing that is just being authentic and showing a case-by-case example of, when I started teaching today, it was here, and now we're at here, okay? So I think I'm going to go ahead and close this trade out. The stochastics are kind of starting to scare me a little bit, and the last thing I want to do, if you watch my last video, is the last thing I want to do is catch a 61.8 retracement and give back all that profit. So take your profits, gain some confidence, learn the 61.8 rule, study Elliott Wave. If you need me, email me, americano@417@gmail.com. I'm not cheap, but I know a little bit about the markets, and a lot of my knowledge has come from failure. So think of every dollar if you were to hire me to teach your firm, every dollar you give me is a dollar you would not lose. Okay, so if your firm is trading with $1 million or $5 million, and you brought me in, let's say that I came in at 25,000 a day, okay, and you're trading $5 million bucks. All right, I assure you that if you paid me 75,000, you would be better traders with 5 million. And if you know your numbers, giving 75,000 to learn how to make money on 5 million, that's a great investment. And again, if you're not a 5 million guy and you're just trying to trade for a hobby, and you're just trying to make a living, you're trying to, maybe you don't want your wife to work, maybe you just want to just work from home and you want to learn day trading, heck, call me. Americano417@gmail.com. Let me give you a couple pointers that can help you. I want to not only get better at trading myself, but I want to give back to the trading community because I think there's just going to be a big need for people to know how to make money in the markets, and I want to be a part of that. And if I can turn my failure into gold for someone else and also for myself, why not? So anyway, if you've watched the last couple of trades, you'll notice that I came in here, I said it was going down, and look what has happened.